So the question is, here's a rule to make a list of numbers. Each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Start with the numbers 0 and 1, then follow the rule to build a sequence of 10 numbers. So I'm just going to start with 10 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we know that the first two numbers are going to be 0 and 1. So we have to come up with the next 8 numbers. So it says each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. So the first number that we're looking for is going to be that number that goes here. And so to get this number here, I have to take the previous two numbers and add those two together. So if I add 0 plus 1, then the resulting number is 1. So I just continue to do that. So the next number that I'm looking for is this number right here, which means that I need to add the previous two numbers together. So I need to add these two numbers together. So I'm going to add 1 plus 1, and we're going to get 2. And so continuing on like that, the next number that we're going to look for is going to be this number. And so now we're going to add 1 plus 2 together to get 3. So each subsequent number is the sum of the previous two numbers. So to get this one, I add the previous 2. To get this one, I add the previous 2. So for my next number, we're going to be looking for this one right here. So we're going to add the previous two numbers, which means I'm going to add 2 and 3 together to get 5. To get the next number right here, we're going to add the previous two numbers, so 3 plus 5 is 8. And the next number that we're looking for is this one right here. So we're going to add the previous two numbers, which is 13. And again, just continue to add previous two numbers. So for this one here, we're going to add the 13 and the 8 together, which is 21. And then for that last one, we're going to be looking for this one right here. So we're going to add the 13 and the 21 together, which would be 34.